Well, we have quite a bit of a storm coming through. We're seeing some videos and such from the Rupert area with hail that has been cracking some windshields, causing a little bit of damage. So if you are out and about, please be safe. If you're noticing that your wipers are not keeping the windshield as clean as you'd like it to be, give us a call tomorrow. Let's see if we can help you out. We can help you out with tires, cars with all-wheel drive. Be safe out there. It's supposed to be raining quite a bit. You can schedule the appointment at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. Or call us at 208-734-8860. That's 208-734-8860. It's looking like the weather is going to be like this for a few days, which might put a damper on your Memorial Day plans. So if it is, we are going to be here. We're open regular hours on Friday and Saturday, which is 8 to 7 on Friday, 9 to 6 on Saturday. Monday, we are going to have a little bit different hours of 10 to 6 for service, for sales. Parts and service will be closed, but we will be here to help people out that unfortunately may be having their Memorial Day weekend plans canceled because of the rain and hail and whatever else Idaho decides to drop on us. We are at 1725 Parkview, right next to the Westmark. You can see the sign behind me, and off Pole Line in Parkview, across the street from the new hospital. Again, hopefully you're not in too uncomfortable of a situation with wiper blades that don't quite keep the windshield clean, or with tires that don't quite grip the road well when it is raining. But if you need help with any of that, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team tomorrow, 208-734-8860. That's 208-734-8860. Or you can chat in with us or set an appointment on our website, twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. We just want to help everybody out that we can, make sure that everything's going well and safe with you. And like I said, with the storm that's rolling through, it's looking like it's going to be here for a few days. So just be safe, enjoy the rain. I know the farmers are going to be loving it. The hail that we saw videos of over in the Rupert area, it is causing some broken windshields and such. So just be aware of that. Try to avoid getting hurt if possible. We don't want any of that happening, but it is some nice, lovely Idaho weather. Like I said, if your Memorial Day plans are changing, we would love to help you into a vehicle that can help you make it through weather like this. On a positive note, both of the Adventure Edition Subarus did sell today. That includes this beautiful burnished bronze Ascent on a 2-inch lift with some LP Adventure wheels and tires and a Thule basket. That one did find a new home today, as did the 2023 Ascent in autumn green with the lift kit, wheels and tires package and all that. Both of those did find new homes today, but the bright side is we can help customize another one for you if you'd like, and give you a nice vehicle for getting around no matter what the road or weather conditions may be outside of severe weather. As always, if there is flooding, don't enter any flooded roadways. We also saw videos from Idaho Falls where some people sank their car in an underpass. We don't have too many situations out here where that's going to be the case, but if you happen to be traveling in the area or anywhere that does have overpasses and underpasses and all that, and it looks like there's some deep water, don't go through it. You never know just how deep it is, and we don't want to see you get hurt or stuck and have to go through all that just because there was some water in the roadways. Again, you can check out what all we have available and appointments and everything for windshield wipers, tires, checking out your next vehicle at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. And we look forward to seeing everybody else. Stay safe, stay dry, stay warm. We'll take care of you later.